How to join Kickstarter event on MEXC Global. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to join Kickstarter event on MEXC Global. Now, due to some security concern, I'm unable to show you the procedure, so I'm just gonna instruct you. So first of all, you have to go and log into your MEXC Global. I'm using a web browser. You could go ahead and use an application. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So when you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. Then the user can commit MEXC token to participate in voting and win free project airdrops. The maximum amount of the MEXC you can commit depends on the MEXC balance in your spot wallet at the snapshot time. Now MEXC will take a random snapshot of the user MEXC holding during the snapshot period, and you should be able to join the Kickstarter event on the MEXC Global. So by following the steps, you should be able to join the Kickstarter. And likewise, if you're unable to carry on with this procedure, then you could also go ahead and contact the support team, let them know about this, and they'll look into your matter, or they will provide you with the instruction. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.